Hi guys! 11:08 PM na, iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat, ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong feng shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and date selection consultant. Kumusta po kayo? How was your week? And tomorrow, Saturday, weekend na po, and thank God, Saturday na po. And tomorrow po, I'll be busy. Part of my obligation po sa lodge po. So, I'll be tomorrow in my mother lodge sa Palanyag, 323 for our first degree conferral. Ayan. So, kung kayo po bukas, rest day kami po magtatrabaho sa lodge. Anyway, BFF, ano ba tomorrow? Check natin. Tomorrow, it's labeled or characterized as the Fire Rabbit enters the Excellent Officer Day. Uy, excellent. Wow, ganda yan. Tingnan nga natin. Bakit naging excellent yung Fire Rabbit mo? Ano ito na yon. Last day of August, Jose Maricha na, September 1. Okay, sabi dito, anong pwede bukas? Pwedeng magpakasal, mag-ayos or mag-set up ng altar, mag-ayos ng kama, mag-donate, mag-travel, celebrate, meet ng friends, moving to a new house, burial, trading, keeping a pet, and purchases. Dami. Anong avoid? Avoid groundbreaking, utility services, and haircut. Haircut, di pala pwede tomorrow. Yun. How about the animal signs? So, rat is average, ox is not so good, tiger is average, rabbit is very good, dragon and snake, not so good. Horse is average, goat is very good, monkey average, rooster not so good, dog and pig very good. Ayan. Okay. So tomorrow, unintentionally, ikaw yung papagupit, you have utility services because it's a weekend, and you are going to have a ground break somewhere out there. Okay, daily chimen natin. I already have posted, BFF, na ang game changer tomorrow, or later, ang ngayon na po, 11, no? 11:09, is the backing sa East. Okay, let's see. Tingnan natin, let us see. Okay. Sabi dito, okay, if you're not feeling well, if you want to have a healthy, sound spirit and mind, talikod ka sa Southeast. Anything to do with finances and resources, talikod sa South. If you want to negotiate tomorrow, heart-to-heart talk, make peace, and want to 10x you being beautiful and handsome, talikod naman sa Northwest. And then, yun nga po, game changer. With absolute support, with branding, with cash, and inspiration. Ang daming dala nito. Talikod and 6 stars. Talikod sa East. Okay, gawa natin again ng script BFF. Para wag tayo mawala. Ayan, at least meron tayong pattern Importante po yung pattern Yun, okay, let's see. Ito na naman. Let me show you the script. Okay. Paano natin yan i-execute? Ito na. Okay, BFF. Again, same po tayo. Hanggat ma-memorize natin, universe, I let go of all that no longer benefits my journey, tao, experience, or situation in life, and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful. Ano po dapat papasalamatan? Hi to Worshipful Noble Jexter, sir. Hi, magandang gabi po. Worshipful Noble. Thank you. Kuyang Jexter, thank you for watching. Worship. I am deeply thankful for my blessings. Ano po ba yung mga blessing na yan? Enumerate nyo. And I'm always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. Ano ba yung gusto ma-achieve? I easily and effortlessly magnetize new ideas and views by always attracting noble allies, forever lucky, generously aiding all, crafting robust lifelines and livelihood for all. Amen. Hi to Kuyang Noble Danfred, sir, all day from Mandaluyong. Nobs, Danfred, malapit na tayo ulit. Mag-performance na. Nobs, magandang gabi po sa iyo. Yes. So, yun po, Worshipful Noble Jexter and Noble Architect Danfred, mga kuyang, BFF. So, pwede nyo pong say it in your own words. Basta po ang pattern na, okay, number 1, you address po your God, whatever faith you're in, of course, is very important. Ang 1 po dyan is, you let go of whatever it is. 2, open up. 3, magpasalamat. 4, mention what you want. And 5, give it back to society. Yan ha. Be a blessing to others. Very important. Okay. So mga nawili po sa Green Dragon, Flying Bird Fall into Cave, and Jade Maiden watching the door. Oh, let us see. Hina po ba internet? Parang nag-reconnect. Anyway po, ito tingnan natin. Baka po nagbabadya na naman po yung mga ambon that affects our internet. Okay. Last day of August. Tingnan natin nga po. Okay, ito nakakita ko. O ito po, 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. Talikod sa Southwest. Green Dragon returns. The number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen. Kuha ko yan ha. Southwest yan. And then, at 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. Backing to East. Jade Maiden watching the door. Another Green Dragon returns. Talikod again sa Southwest. Same time. Then Flying Bird Fall into Cave. Backing to South. 3 p.m. to 4:59 p.m. And another Green Dragon returns. Talikod sa Southwest. 7 p.m. to 8:59 p.m. Wow! Ang dami. Yan. So BFF, as much as possible, ako po I'm humbled na many of you are messaging me. Nakakatulong po yung ating sharing ha. So ating exchange of energy po, i-like and i-share po natin yung ating page because somewhere out there would benefit from this. Hi to Brother Senior Warden Noble, Kuyang Joseph, and congratulations with the new addition po sa iyong family. Nobs, congrats ha. Uy, Kuyang Inton! Hi, good evening Kuyang. May utang pa ako sa'yo, hindi po ako nakakapunta sa Quezon City, but Kuyang Inton, sayang, di tayo nagkasama sa Mrs. Universe. Maybe next year we'll grab that one. So, yan, Kuyang Inton schedule natin na yung ano mo po, yung bahay mo, po, in Quezon City. Again, mga Kuyang, BFF, thank you so much for the opportunity to being able to share. Let us continuously pray for our leaders. Let us continuously pray sa ating po, sa ating community, sa ating country, sa world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. And with a grateful heart, maraming po salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thank you. Happy Saturday.